Hi, welcome back to Logical Minds. Choose your gift. Squishy Dumpling Edition, full of surprises and something super special waiting at the end. Before we start, subscribe to Logical Minds channel for more fun games and exciting surprises. Choose your first Squishy Dumpling box. Be careful, one might be trapped. Next dumpling. Did you get the unicorn squishy? Which one? Which squishy would you pick? Nice pick! Can you find the best dumpling? Choose your box. Which dumpling box looks the luckiest? One box hides an awesome squishy. Wow, so adorable! Only one box can be yours. Make your choice. Ready? Pick your Squishy Dumpling box. Nice pick! Ready? Pick your Squishy Dumpling box. Next dumpling. Choose a box. Your next dumpling is waiting. Next dumpling. Which one? Wow, so adorable! Next dumpling. Which squishy would you pick? Nice pick! Ready? Pick your Squishy Dumpling box. Which dumpling box looks the luckiest? Choose a box. Your next dumpling is waiting. Nice pick! Next dumpling. Wow, so adorable! A silly surprise might be hiding inside. Choose a box. Your next dumpling is waiting. Can you find the best dumpling? Choose your box. A silly surprise might be hiding inside. Next dumpling. Nice pick! Which one? Next dumpling. Wow, so adorable! Which dumpling box looks the luckiest? This is the final box. Could it be the legendary Squishy Dumpling? Let's find out. What did you got? Tell in comments. Hit your next challenge and be sure to like and subscribe. See you there!